with. We'll try to pull it over. We've been to find out, Kyle. He's out of Cartersville. Kyle Williams, ladies and gentlemen. Who's down in 84 M650. Boy, that thing's pretty all up there in there like that. Boy, I like that. Good. Yeah, which mine was that tall? It's hard to pull a big trailer though with it when they're that tall. Let's see if it's going to stay up under there. Here we go. Come on now. Kind of come on deep there. Kyle, I don't know what it was, but I don't think